central question for us is for these large online courses that have come into existence in the last few years, these MOOCs, massive open online courses, are these more siloed spaces, or are they more bridging spaces? Are they more like echo chambers, or are they more places where people come together? And can we make them more like places where people come together? So the purpose of our project is to evaluate the degree to which people with different kinds of political backgrounds and beliefs interact with each other in online courses that have some kind of political tinge to them, like Introduction to American Government.
So the most interesting aspect of this project for me is trying to figure out how to harness massive amounts of information that our students are generating in their classes in the form of having conversations with each other online through forums, but harnessing that data in a way that then is digestible by instructors.
And so the two major tools that we're bringing to bear on this issue are a class of models called topic models, which are a statistical way to sort of understand what documents are about by looking at the co-occurrences between words. But we also need to understand sort of how the participants are communicating with each other. And so there we turn to models and network analysis, where the goal is to understand communities, and then we can line up those pieces of information to see if, for example, a topic is only discussed within an insular community, or if it is diffused across the broader collection of participants.
You could imagine those measures then being represented in some kind of dashboard, where an instructor could look at that dashboard and say, the last 2 times I've run this course, we've seen this level of engagement, but I'm seeing less engagement this time. What kinds of instructional strategies can I try to have there be more engagement?
And so part of our project, in addition to analyzing the types of data like what are people writing to each other, other things that we want to do is to try to go into classes and do experimental interventions to see how can we encourage people to engage in healthier ways with people who might not agree with them on certain types of political issues.
If we're not effective at measuring which kinds of people come to our courses and whether or not they interact with each other, then it would be a lot easier for us to create courses that are potentially echo chambers when that's not the goal of the instructors of those courses.
This is an extremely important question because we are still trying to understand what makes democracies work, because we exist in a period of time where many people don't vote. People are alienated by an increasingly politicized system. In fact, inherent in democracy is disagreement, but trying to articulate ways in which people can engage in disagreement in a healthy way, in a way that does not make people tune out or not want to vote or not want to be in part of the political process, is absolutely essential to understanding the democratic process.